Well, thank you everyone. Good afternoon. And yeah, today with our breakfast inspirations here. As we
Hello.
know that yes, hello, I'm Lydia Anggraini. Is my lecturer from President University. Not only that, but he is also our head of study program in mechanical engineering at President University. For the first things, I want to ask you about maybe can you explain about your milestones as a lecturer?
Sure. Okay. Hello, Ririn. Let me start. Yeah. I start my education since I was in 2001. Yeah. I enroll with mechanical engineering study program, and especially with the major or concentration in construction, mechanical construction. Yeah. At the time, I work with one company, and it's a piping company. And after that, I also joined with a Japanese company first. Then, yeah, I tried a scholarship, and fortunately, I received. Yeah, I succeed to got the funding. Yeah, from at that time I received from Gakushou scholarship. So on 2006, yeah, I left Indonesia for Japan. Okay, I continue my higher degree of education. 22 years old.
So
Okay,
yeah.
then yeah, at the time I joined master degree at Terimakasihh University, majoring in microsystem technology. Okay, microsystem technology with the specialized in micro electromechanical system.
Wow.
And fortunately, again, I continue directly to a doctoral program, okay, doctoral program on 2008. And I finished my PhD course on 2012. 2012, yes, I graduated. Then when I was in 27 years old. Okay.
Wow.
So, yeah, so 27 years old, I received my PhD. Okay, at the time, I really enjoy. Okay, in part time I did to also work as a research associate in my university when I study. Okay.
Okay. Wow.
Okay.
I thought it's still young. Yeah, you can got all your education until PhD. You are still 27 years old. But ma'am, can you share with us like your specific what are you doing exactly and how do you feel? Are you enjoying with your occasional right now or like what? Can
Yes, really enjoy. Sure, of course.
you?
Okay, my milestone because I'm a woman. Yeah, I like work at the President University. I like to work as a lecturer because I can manage time. I can manage everything. Then in between working, I can socialize. I can have interaction with the student for research and other activities. Okay, my life is not just monotone, not like one things I have to do from the morning to evening. No, but it's like a dynamics. Yeah, dynamics,
Okay.
routinity. Okay, so that's make me really enjoy.
Okay, that is interesting because we can say that you are really productive woman. In mechanical engineering or in engineering sector, we know that a woman is really rare, but you can explore yourself. And yeah, this is the things that make me really inspiring you as a person or as a my lecture. And then maybe I will ask you about how you implemented about three Dharma values in President University while you are teaching.
In my case, yeah, I have a background for material science and engineering. Of course, I have research and this currently, yeah, I'm doing research supported by or funded by the RPM, Directorate Research and Directorate Research from Higher Degree of Education in Indonesia. And I can
Wow.
I joined with one of research institute in Indonesia. Name is PAS Research for Rubber, yeah, in Bogor, and we create a research about natural resources to uh, for sustainable development goals, of course, yeah, and in the field of affordable and clean energy. and also for industry innovation and infrastructure. So with that natural resources, uh, we can use, and also we can implement as a new product that really valuable. Many people use, and that waste has become one new things, yeah, one new
Thanks.
products that really valuable.
Okay, wow, that is really amazing. Because yeah, natural resources around us, it's kind of things that God already provide us,
Yeah,
and yeah, how we can utilize that with the
yeah,
that can have a big value for the human resource itself. It's really um good for us actually,
yeah.
and
Indonesia has a really yeah, we have big resources, yeah, natural resources. So actually, if we don't implement, or we don't utilize it in a good way, we will lose it. Okay, so
yes.
with this, yes, yeah, with this opportunity, of course, I can share this research, and I bring to the class, to the student, and of course the student can learn new things, not only from the basic, from the fundamental, but from the application. Okay, so directly I can share my research to the student in the class.
Okay, me too,
And then
Mim. Maybe later, if I back to from China, maybe I will join for some research if you can inviting me, because yeah, the renewable energy, or this is exactly related to the natural resources. That's why this is make me to like what I'm gonna do if I back to Indonesia. That's why maybe you are one of the best reference for me later.
we can
And
collaborate. We can
yeah,
collaborate in
thank
the
you,
near
ma'am.
future.
Thank you so much. Yeah. Yes, of course. And maybe, ma'am, because we have a short time. So the next questions that maybe I will ask is, you are an aspiring viewer for us, of course. You have contributed many achievements. Yes, as you said before. So, what are your most significant achievement that really have impact for yourself and your student? Ma'am, maybe
Okay,
just
okay,
one or two of
just
them.
one. Just one. Okay, one or two. One. I start my career after I finished PhD. It's rare in Indonesia. You know, this is a secret, because many lecturers here is not starting at this point. Okay, at this point, and then yes, some of lecturer is starting below this or not finished the the highest degree of education, right? And at this condition, I don't need to think again when I have to go for study, when I have to leave my career. But here, at this point, at this stage, I can focus. I really focus how to educate the student, how to develop myself, yeah, how to improve my achievement. And best things I have experienced, I won the best lecturer or outstanding lecturer in Properties Wilayah 4. Yeah, it's we have Properties is for coordinator for private university. Yeah, below Dikti. Yeah, and then at 2018, yeah,
Oh,
2018, I become the outstanding lecturer at that area. So in the
wow.
scope of properties for, so I really thank you for with President University also to give the opportunity me to propose me to represent from all lecturers in President University. Of course, with that experience, I have so many information, okay, how to educate the student well, how to keep productive, okay, as a lecturer.
Okay, that is amazing. Okay, ma'am, maybe I can move to the woman side as an engineer. As we know, it's most likely considered as a masculine study program as an engineering. As a woman yourself, how do you promote women's participants in studying engineering? Is this interesting questions? Yeah.
It's interesting but tricky. Yeah, but yes. How to make interest for many women to learn in engineering? This is the hard thing, because
Exactly.
we have already have an image that learn in engineering is difficult. The first method that I ever did is create an image that study in engineering is not scared. It's not scared. Engineering is about physics and math and some chemistry, not about the ways, not about the things that dangerous for women. Okay, it's not dangerous. And mechanical engineering, especially, yeah, is mechanics, not machining, not limited to the machining. So there is nothing to be scared. And now, our uh, women students, female students, yeah, in one batch can improve maybe five in one batch, yeah, from one, two, and one batch now five or four. Yeah, that's really good. Yeah, better. So that means create that engineering create an image, okay? Building image that engineering is not scared things. Yeah, it's not scared. So we don't need to be scared because it's learned about physics, math, and some chemistry. And mechanical is learn about mechanics, okay? Not
Wow,
about
yeah.
the
So inspiring. So for you are guys, if you are a woman, so don't be scared because mechanical is not scaring. But it's fun. I can say that it's fun because we are doing some research, some practical that really interesting. Yes, I've passed it, even if just maybe while in bachelor degree, but I can felt it. That is really impactful. Ma'am, and then this is about talking about the subject and how they are doing, how they are character building in mechanical engineering. But what do you think about the perspective career of the engineering for the female or male itself for in the future? Can you please tell
okay.
us?
Sure. It's not limited work in the inside the office or behind the desk. Yeah, female engineers also able to work in the out in the means in the far away in the field. Yeah, in the field. So I mean, not only on behind the desk, okay, in the field. If they work for oil and gas company, they can work in the field, okay. And also if they work for construction, they also can do together with the male engineers. There is no limitation, okay. So now all gender are equal, okay. There is no difference. Female is not limited only work behind the desk, okay.
Wow. Yes, exactly. And I have felt that I can be working anywhere because female really special in engineering. I've been in Metal itself, also in L'Oreal, and the last one I've been in Sampurna, ma'am. I've been working in Sampurna. And also Coca-Cola company, they are also inviting for me and also Singapore Airlines. But I need to continue my study as a master degree. That's why it's unfortunately I cannot join. But later I've been taught them also maybe I will join after I back to Indonesia. So this is one of the impactful for me as an engineering student. And okay, because we are already talking about the student, maybe I will back to you about I'm really curious about your goals in your future. Can you tell me because you already have
Oh,
many achievements, maybe if you mind to share, please share with us what is your goal in the future?
well, okay, my goal, yeah, my goal. I already start career as a lecturer, of course. In this direction, I really want to be a young professor. Okay, professor below
Amin.
40 years old. Yeah, and also have a Nobel Prize. Yeah. So that's really prestigious for me. Yeah.
Yes, me too. Maybe I wanted to be a professor. I want to find something that new and really valuable for the society, ma'am. And I hopefully later we can
Sure,
join
sure,
each other for research of the professor itself. I hopefully. Okay.
sure.
Maybe the last one that I want you asking about. What is your exactly message for us as a student? uh, what can maybe something from you that can motivate us to reach our goals and our dreams later.
Okay. For all students, to achieve a dream is not without an effort, but it should be you should study hard, focus on your goal, be creative, innovative, and you should try many opportunity to support in achieving your goal, achieving your target. Okay, so be focused, creative, and also innovative.
Okay.
That's it.
Thank you, ma'am. Maybe that is only several words, but I have many things to do with that. Yes, and I want to say thank you so much for your time
Thank you.
today.
Thank you,
Yes, and
Daria.
I hopefully you can reach your goal soon. I hopefully, and also as a student, I hopefully we can be like you too,
Yes.
still in our spirit. And thank you so much, ma'am, again and again.
Okay. Good
Yeah,
luck
thank
for your
you.
study, Ririn.
Yeah,
Yeah. See you
thank
again.
you. See you again, ma'am.